Easy and healthy breakfast does not have to be complicated. If you want to eat easy and healthy breakfast, it's very easy. This breakfast is very healthy, it's delicious, and you can make it under 7 minutes. Yes, under 7 minutes, your breakfast is ready. To prepare this breakfast, I want you to come closer and listen to me. We need egg, we need onions, we need bread, and we need lettuce. Here you can see me cutting the onions. Cut the onions exactly the way I'm cutting it, because you need to cut it into tiny pieces.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the life, yeah.
So continue to cut your onions.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy.
Making sure it's very, very tiny, so that it could easily fry when we put it in the fry pan.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy.
For this recipe, we'll be needing 2 eggs.
Now go there, Juliana.
Crack your eggs and put it in the bowl. And start whisking the egg. Whisk the egg thoroughly and make sure it's well whisked.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the life, yeah. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Juliana.
Put your oil in the fry pan.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana.
Allow the oil to heat up. Put the heat in medium to low. Yeah, medium to low heat, so that the onions doesn't get burnt.
Recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the life, yeah.
Begin to fry the onions in the oil. Fry the onions until the onions is well fried.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy.
Here is my seasoning. So I'm adding my complete seasoning to the onions.
Now go there, Juliana.
And a pinch of salt. Continue to stir all these ingredients together, making sure they're all stirred properly. They are well mixed. It's nicely stirred, or it's nicely mixed.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the life, yeah. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana.
As you can see, guys, this is getting very soft already. I'm stirring it, I'm frying it at the same time. So when it's properly stirred, come in with your egg, pour in your already whisked egg. Don't stir the egg, just leave the egg to spread on the fry pan by itself. So the other side of the egg is well cooked. I'm flipping the egg over so that the other side can fry as well. We make sure the egg doesn't get burnt. So guys, if you have watched up until this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I want you to hit the subscription button. I want you to click the notification bell as well, so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first to receive notification. All right, so here we added our bread, and I'm going to be flipping both the egg and the bread over. So that's exactly what I just did right now. I flipped it over. So I'm trying to center the egg so that it won't be overlay the edge of the bread. That's what I just did. So guys, I'm adding lettuce because this breakfast, like I told you, is very healthy. It's rich in vegetable protein. So we're using lettuce for this healthy, easy breakfast. So I'm just adding the lettuce to the bread and the egg.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana.
So I just flipped the bread over. Guys, this is looking beautiful already. It's looking appetizing already. So the breakfast is ready, guys. Take it out of the kettle. Out of the fry pan. Sorry, I mean to say fry pan, not kettle. And place it on your plate. And you're ready to eat. Guys, this is looking beautiful. Tea or with oatmeal. So guys, comment love this recipe and let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye and enjoy your breakfast. Yes guys, enjoy your breakfast.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana!
Oh my god, see how I'm eating this breakfast and I'm loving it. Guys, this is delicious. Tastes good.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana! Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the life Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana! Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go